Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to the class. Students, today we will discuss the remaining portion of the chapter number 3, that is energy. So the topic is transformation of energy. Since energy exists in many different forms, one form of energy can be changed into another form. So the change of one form of energy into another form of energy, that is known as transformation of energy. Here you are seeing different diagrams, and now in first you are saying that a handball here, a ball held at a height has only potential energy, and when ball is released from the height, the potential energy of ball that is gradually transferred into kinetic energy. Like here you are seeing a high dive is an example of transferring potential energy into kinetic energy. Now next one is energy transformation at hydroelectric powerhouses. So you know that at hydroelectric powerhouses, a dam is built on the river, and the water collected behind the dam to form a reservoir, and water stored behind the dam has a lot of potential energy, but this potential energy is here, it has no use to us. However, this water is allowed to fall by great height. The potential energy of water, here you know that the water has the potential energy that is changed into the kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy of water that is used to drive here to move the turbines, and which are connected to the electric generators for producing the electricity, and by this way you will find the electricity. So this thing is very important, that this potential energy, it changes into kinetic energy, and finally this kinetic energy, it converted into the electrical energy. Students, here you are seeing the figure of a dam which is located in this figure, and you will understood that how electrical energy that is formed with the potential energy. And now energy transformation at the thermal powerhouses. At the thermal powerhouse, coal is used to produce the electricity. When coal is burnt, the chemical energy of coal is changed into heat energy, and this heat energy converts water into steam, and the high pressure steam turns the steam turbines, changing the heat energy into kinetic energy, and the turbines run electricity generators now, which convert kinetic energy into electrical energy. Thus, at the thermal powerhouse, chemical energy of coal is changed into heat energy, which is further converted into kinetic energy and electrical energy. You are seeing here that this can be written as chemical energy, it converted into heat energy, then it is in kinetic, and finally you will find the electrical energy. In this diagram you can understood it better. Now next one is here, from the above discussion we conclude that one of important characteristics of energy is that it can be transformed or changed from one form to another form, and we will now discuss some of important transformations of energy here and appliances which brings about these transformations. Please note that the appliances, that means machines or devices which bring about the transformation of energy, they are called the energy converters. So that machines are called the energy converters. Now using energy converters to electronic motors, it changes the electrical energy into mechanical energy, and the generator, it is the reserve case of an electric motor. Here the generator converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay. Now electric iron converts electrical energy into heat energy, and you will press the cloths, and this electric bulb, it changes the electrical energy into heat energy and light energy, and a radio set its electrical energy causes the diaphragm in the speaker to vibrate and produce the sound. So a radio first converts electrical energy into kinetic energy and then into sound energy. Students, our next heading is to conservation of energy in a simple pendulum. You will study it. Now, you know that a swinging simple pendulum is an example of conservation of energy. This is because swinging of pendulum is a body whose energy can either be potential or kinetic or a mixture of potential and kinetic, but it is total energy at any instant of time, it remains the same. Now you are seeing here in this diagram, and next one is here, next one is steam energy. So it we found with the steam engine, and next one is cell or battery. So here a cell or battery converts chemical energy into electrical energy. These lines are very important. Now solar water heater, it traps the sunlight, that means it converts the light energy into here. So solar water heater traps the light energy and produces the heat energy. And gas stoves, that converts the chemical energy into cooking, since it is used, so it converts the chemical energy into heat energy. Students, next one is law of conservation of mass. That means mass never be destroyed, so energy can be transferred or changed from one form to another form according to the law of conservation of energy. Whenever energy changes from one form to another, the total amount of energy remains the constant. Or simple way, we can say that when energy changes from one form to another form, there is no loss or gain of energy. Another definition of law of conservation of mass here, conservation of energy, is that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Now next one is conservation of energy in simple pendulum you had studied. So here you will observe here something swinging between position B and C. You will see here the figure is given. Now swinging in the position of B and C. In this case, when the pendulum bob is at position B, it has only potential energy, no kinetic energy. As the bob starts moving down from position B to position A, its potential energy goes on decreasing, but its kinetic energy goes on increasing. And when bob reaches the center, position A, it has only kinetic energy. Here in this given diagram, you will observe it. And finally, from the above discussion here in this figure, you will understood that means we conclude that the extreme position of B and C of swinging pendulum, all the energy of pendulum bob is potential, and at the center position A, all the energy of pendulum is kinetic. At all other intermediate positions, and the energy of pendulum bob is partly potential and partially kinetic, but the total energy of swinging pendulum at any instant of time, it remains the same or conserved. So your topic is finished. Now keywords you will read, and the question answer of this question you will do with the help of given notes. Thank you.